Hi, it's Lynette here. So welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hello. It's too late, honestly. It's the end of a long day. But let's come on and film this because last night I meant to come on and film and then I ended up dozing off. So I thought I'll come on today and I will film this. It's my latest in beauty. It's my December pick. If you've never had latest in beauty before, it's the only subscription box that I've kept on. I get 9 items for £18 because I'm an existing member. However, when you join now, they've done away with the 3, 6 and 9. It's only 6 items that you can get. I've got 10% off below if you want to if you're interested in signing up. I think you can dip in and dip out. You can order extra boxes, which I've done in the past if there's been a drop that's come out after I've picked mine, and there's lots of great items. Some months I struggle, other months I don't. This month wasn't bad actually, so I'm going to dip in and show you what I've got. So first of my items is something that I do actually have but I haven't tried it yet. It's Bye Bye Milk Melt Vegan Oat Milk Cleanser. So 150ml, so that is quite a big size, isn't it? So it's got oat kernel extract, coconut yogurt and vitamin A. So lots of really good ingredients in it. And it says here certified 100% vegan, plant powered natural skincare, certified cruelty free, climate conscious packaging, products and ingredients. So I'll open it and let you see what packaging looks like. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Really nice. I like that. So I'm not going to open it because once you open it, that sets the kind of timer for the next 12 months and then it kind of has to be binned after that, or so they say. It's up to you, do what you want. I'm not judging. I also picked up, because I could and because I love these shampoo bars, Faith in Nature shampoo bar, coconut and shea butter. These are about £6, which is fine, but I like getting them in the box. I picked up next the Lash Factor Under Eye Gel Serum. Now, I think I was watching Joella and this was in her Walker box and she was saying the same thing. Because it's Lash Factor, you automatically think it's something for your lashes, don't you? But it's just an unusual name for the company. Under Eye Gel Serum. Lightens dark circles naturally, reduces puffy eyes and eye bags, firms, smooths and brightens. And it's vegan. So it can do with all the help that I can get. So it's 30 grams. I'm not going to open that because eye products are the one products that I don't have a lot of. Everything else I probably have quite a few of, but eye serums and eye creams, I don't have a lot of them. So that's 1, 2, 3. So the next items are some polishes that I actually did pick up. One's called Earthy. I like the colour of that. The next one is from a brand called Me in Colour Confidence. Now that is perfect. I love those colours. And my nail polish just kind of came sliding off weirdly. Added a quick dry polish and it just came off like, it was so weird. So I then just picked the rest of it off. I am a terrible picker. And this is Colour Confidence by Me as well. I love this colour. What else did I get? So that was 3 polishes. Oh, I also picked up this as well. So I popped this in a couple of my boxes. It's Nails Like Back to Life. Repair, recuperate and glow. However, it'll go in a friend's mail or a Christmas box or something. So I thought I'll get another one of those because even if you don't wear polish, you would use that, wouldn't you? I picked up the Molten Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose because it is delicious. However, probably going to go in a wee package to my sister. I normally do have an advent calendar, but this year I just said I won't bother with that. I'll just put some nice bits and pieces in a box. And last but not least, a Laura Mercier. And it's very tiny. Look, I've done my nails. I'm going to have to take them off before I go to the vet. I'm not going to the vet, Amber. Amber's not going to the vet. Oh my God. Lola. That was a slip of the tongue. But I love that colour. So I'm going to swatch it because I am going to wear it. That's so pretty, isn't it? It is just a mini, but I don't mind minis. Laura Mercier is a great brand. And I also got a freebie which is Sunset Hour by Goldfield and Banks, Australia. So it's a nice little perfume spray. There we go. And these are great. Like, before I probably wouldn't have bothered with these, but if you're going like out, stick it in your handbag. You don't have to worry about a full-size perfume. And there is a code here for Perfumado. Discover a perfume of choice every month delivered to your mailbox. Latest in Beauty members get £6.50 off their first month using code LIB50. Normally it's £12.95. Choose from 550 high-end perfumes and fill your calendar with your favourites. It's not really for me. But it tells you the brands that you've got here: Hermes or Hermes, Paco Rabanne, Michael Kors, Dolce & Gabbana. So no, it's not for me. I always forget to wear perfume, and I do like perfumes that I have. So there we go. So that was a little freebie. It's actually, they're quite a good size though, you know, for your handbag. Brilliant. Get a few uses out of that, you know, a few days or a few sprays. So I'm going to rattle through what I've got here. I've got Molten Brown, which is going in probably my sister's box. Bye Bye Milk Melt, the Faith in Nature. So I do have a few of these, but Brandon and Antonia will be getting some of those. The Lash Factor Under Eye Gel Serum, the Laura Mercier, and the 4 kind of like sticky ones. So I definitely think I might give one a part of a friend mail that I'm doing, and the other one probably put that in my sister's box. She doesn't watch my videos anyway. She's not got time. She's actually given up her job to go and become an apprentice chef. So she's honestly, I think it's brilliant. I think it's absolutely amazing that she's taken that leap. They're kind of really flexible, working around the kids being at school and stuff, and she does the breakfast shift. Sometimes she goes in and does the night, not the night shift, but the evening shift, and she'll send me pictures of the stuff that she's made, and it's dog friendly. So Steve and I are going to pop in one day when she's working and pretend to be really awkward customers. Could you imagine doing that? I wouldn't do that. But she's absolutely loving it. And you just think, if you don't do it now, when will you do it? So I'm chuffed a bit. So I'm over the moon for her. So she probably can't wear nail polish, but I'm sure she can wear this, because I'm sure you won't see it. I don't know. I don't know how it works, but I know you can't wear nail polish in kitchens. But yeah, she's absolutely loving it. And sent me a picture of her in her uniform and all the rest of it. So I'm dead proud of her. Always have been. And she's fantastic, and actually kind of, you know, taking a drop in money at this time isn't the easiest thing to do, but you've got to, sometimes you've just got to do it and make ends meet. So the kids think it's brilliant because she's still off on a Saturday, so she gets to spend that day with them. She's there for them when they get back from school as well. So it's, you know, she's not trying to tell them to be quiet because she's working and she's on a call. So yeah, I think it's fantastic. So can't wait to go. She's a fantastic cook as well. She always has been. But I just think it's amazing that she's kind of following her dreams. Next, she'll be getting that big Harley. That's what she always said. Yeah, I'll get Harley. I told her I'm going to get a mobility scooter. Is that the same? Anyway, I'm going to go. I can hear my husband's in, and I better go make him a cup of tea and take these little Braindeer Daily Boppers off, because I got these from 9 Below and I thought it was Vlogmas, so I will put them on. But if I go downstairs with these on, I will get the look like, what have you been up to? So I hope you enjoyed that latest in beauty. I'm rambling on. I always ask this, do you get this? If you do, what did you pick this month? Did you struggle? Are you keeping the box on? I am, because I probably, if it wasn't for the nail polishes, I might have struggled this month. However, you know, I've got the hair shampoo, I've got the shower gel, I've got the nail polish, I've got the cleanser, I've got the lipstick, and kind of going forward, I'll use Latest in Beauty either to stock my kind of giveaway drawer that's over there, or get things that I actually need, because I'm going to be trying to do the Year of Less, and I'll talk about that in about a week or so. And I'm giving people the opportunity to not only join me, but to set up a group that we can have conversations with outside of kind of YouTube, if people are interested in that. So it'll be perfect for that. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say about it, but I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.